Hello and welcome to Confident English Cast.
Hi, friends. We are happy you are here today.
If you are new, please subscribe and like this episode.
Yes, it helps our little show grow. Thank you.
I'm Henry.
And I'm Sophia.
We help you speak simple, real English.
Slow, clear, and friendly.
Today's topic is fun and useful.
Hobbies and interests.
How to talk about what you do for fun.
And how to ask other people too.
Great for making friends.
Great for small talk.
And great for practicing English.
Sophia, how are you today?
I'm good. I have energy today.
That is lucky. I have medium energy.
Medium is still good.
It's like my phone battery. Not dead, not full.
Then we need to charge you.
With coffee?
With coffee and a good chat.
Deal.
Henry, what did you do last weekend?
I tried to be a weekend hero.
Oh no. What happened?
I made a big plan. Clean the house, cook a new dish, and start a new hobby.
3 big things. Very brave.
Yes, very brave. Also very silly.
Tell us everything.
Okay, first, cleaning. I cleaned for 20 minutes.
20 minutes is something.
Then I found an old box.
A mystery box.
Yes, and I opened it.
And?
It had old papers, old photos, and a ball of yarn.
Yarn. Did you try knitting?
Yes, that was the new hobby.
I love it already.
I watched a short video. It looked easy.
It never looks hard in videos.
True. In real life, my yarn became a knot. A big knot.
A yarn monster.
Exactly. I fought the yarn monster. I lost.
Did you at least make something?
I made stress.
That counts as a result.
Then I stopped and ate a snack.
Smart choice.
What about cooking? You said you wanted to cook a new dish.
Yes. I tried to make vegetable soup.
That sounds safe.
I thought so too.
What went wrong?
I added too much salt.
Oh no.
I tried to fix it. I added water.
Good idea.
Then it tasted like salty water.
That is not soup. That is sadness.
Yes. So I ate bread and called it dinner.
Bread is always kind.
Bread never judges me.
Bread understands.
Sophia, your weekend sounds better than mine.
It was simple and nice.
Tell us.
On Saturday morning, I went to a small park near my home.
With fresh air and trees.
Yes. And I brought my phone.
For music?
For photos and a short video.
Ah, content creator Sophia.
Not a creator. Just a person who likes memories.
What did you take photos of?
Little things. A yellow flower. A funny sign. A cat sitting like a king.
I love cats with confidence.
Me too. Then I met my cousin for tea.
Nice.
We talked and laughed.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. And on Sunday, I stayed home and drew in my notebook.
You draw so well.
Thank you, but I'm still learning.
Your drawings look alive.
My best skill is drawing cute faces.
That is an important skill for life.
Yes, very serious.
So today we talk about hobbies and interests.
Let's start simple.
A hobby is something you do for fun.
Usually, you do it again and again.
Not one time only.
And you do it in your free time.
Not for your job.
Not for school.
Unless your job is professional hobby person.
Henry, that is my dream job.
Mine too.
Now, what is an interest?
An interest is something you like.
You want to know more about it.
Sometimes you do it, sometimes you just learn about it.
For example, I'm interested in space.
But you are not an astronaut.
Not yet.
Not yet.
My hobby is drawing.
You do it often.
Yes, I do it at home. I do it when I travel.
Do you draw people or places?
Both. I draw faces, flowers, cups, and silly animals.
I want a drawing of my yarn monster.
I can do that.
Okay, Sophia. What are your top hobbies?
My number one hobby is drawing.
Great.
My second hobby is dancing at home.
Dancing?
Yes. I put on music and dance in my room.
That sounds fun.
It is fun. It also gives me exercise.
Do you dance well?
Sometimes. Sometimes I look like a happy robot.
A happy robot is still happy.
Exactly.
Do you have a hobby you do outside?
Yes. I like cycling.
Riding a bicycle.
Yes. I don't go very fast.
Safety first.
I just enjoy the ride. I enjoy the wind and the feeling of freedom.
That's a beautiful feeling.
What about you, Henry? What is your number one hobby?
My number one hobby is reading easy stories.
Easy stories are perfect for relaxing.
Yes. Short stories, simple novels, funny comics.
What kind of stories do you like?
I like stories with small mysteries.
Like who ate the last cookie?
Exactly. A real crime in my home.
The criminal is Henry.
You have no proof.
Your face is proof.
Another hobby for me is doing puzzles.
Like jigsaw puzzles?
Yes, and word puzzles.
That is great for the brain.
My brain needs help sometimes.
Sama.
And I also like taking care of my plants.
Plant hobby.
Yes, but I'm not very good.
Plants are hard. They look easy, but they are not.
Exactly. Some plants want a lot of water. Some want a little.
Some want sun. Some want shade.
My plant and I often disagree.
What do you do then?
I apologize.
To the plant?
Yes, I say, I'm sorry. Please stay alive.
That is sweet. And funny.
Henry, do you have a hobby you do with other people?
Yes, I cook with my neighbor sometimes.
That is a nice social hobby.
Yes, when I cook alone, I make salty water soup.
But with a friend, it is better.
Exactly. My neighbor tastes the food and saves my life.
Everyone needs a food saver friend.
Let's teach two useful words now.
Social and solo.
Social means with other people,
For example, playing football with friends is social.
or joining a book club.
Yes, you talk with people.
Solo means alone.
Reading can be solo.
Drawing can be solo.
Cycling can be solo or social,
True. You can ride alone.
or ride with a group.
Let's give our listeners some simple sentences.
Good idea.
If you want to tell your hobby, you can say, "My hobby is drawing,"
Or I like drawing.
or "I enjoy drawing in my free time."
If you want to sound a little stronger, you can say, I love drawing.
Another phrase is, "I'm into drawing."
I'm into means you like it a lot.
It is casual and natural.
Now let's talk about details.
Details make your English sound real.
You can talk about when you do it.
I draw on Sunday.
Or I read every night before bed.
You can talk about where you do it.
I cycle in the park.
Or, I dance in my room.
And you can say why you like it.
It's relaxing.
It's fun.
It helps me feel calm.
It helps me feel strong.
Great.
Sophia, can you give an example with all parts?
Sure. My hobby is cycling. I go cycling on Saturday morning. I ride near the river. I like it because it feels free and relaxing.
Perfect and simple.
Your turn, Henry.
Okay, my hobby is reading. I usually read at night. I read on my sofa with tea. I like it because it helps me forget stress.
Great. Very clear.
Now, let's talk about common hobbies around the world.
Yes, many people share similar hobbies,
Some hobbies are inside hobbies.
like reading, drawing, cooking, gaming,
Some hobbies are outside hobbies.
like walking, hiking, cycling, fishing,
Some hobbies are creative.
like writing, painting, making music,
Some hobbies are collecting.
like collecting coins, stamps, postcards, or keychains.
Sophia, do you collect anything?
I collect unfinished hobbies.
Henry,
I'm joking. Kind of.
okay. Do you collect anything small?
Yes. I collect simple magnets from places I visit.
That is cute.
Each magnet is a memory.
Exactly. I collect small notebooks.
Notebooks?
Yes. I like different covers, different colors.
Do you use them?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Okay. Often I just keep them.
That is honest.
Let's talk about unusual hobbies.
Unusual means not common.
Something different.
My friend has an unusual hobby.
Tell us.
She collects bus tickets from different cities.
That is cool.
Each ticket has a date and a place.
It is like a travel diary.
Yes. And it is cheap.
Cheap hobbies are great,
Some hobbies can be expensive.
like photography with a big camera
Or golf.
or collecting very rare items.
But many hobbies are low cost.
You can start small.
Use what you have.
For example, you can take photos with your phone.
You can draw with a pencil.
You can walk in your neighborhood.
You can cook simple food at home.
You can learn English with free videos and podcasts.
Like this one.
Now, a big question.
How do you start a new hobby?
Step 1. Choose something you enjoy.
Or something you want to try?
Step 2. Start very small.
10 minutes is fine.
30 minutes is great.
Step 3. Practice a little each week.
Not every day. Not perfect.
Just regular.
Step 4. Be kind to yourself.
You will be a beginner.
Beginners make mistakes.
And that is normal.
Sophia, what hobby did you start as a beginner?
Cycling.
How did you start?
I borrowed my aunt's old bicycle.
Nice.
At first, I was slow.
Slow is okay.
I felt shy,
Many people feel shy at first.
but I practiced in a quiet place.
Good plan.
After 2 weeks, I felt better.
Great.
Now I can ride longer.
And you feel proud.
Yes, proud and happy.
What about you, Henry?
My plant hobby started as a disaster.
Tell us.
I bought a small plant.
Here.
I gave it too much water.
Oh no.
Then I gave it no water.
Henry,
I know. I panicked.
what did you learn?
I learned to check first.
Check the soil.
Yes. And I learned to ask for help.
Like asking a friend?
Yes. My neighbor knows plants.
Great. Asking for help is a good life skill.
Another question. Do hobbies change?
Yes. Hobbies can change.
People change. Life changes.
Time changes.
When I was a teenager, my hobby was playing basketball.
Really?
Yes. I loved it.
Do you play now?
Not often. My knees are dramatic.
Your knees tell stories.
Yes. They say, please sit down.
That is okay. Now you read and do puzzles.
Exactly.
When I was a child, my hobby was singing.
Do you still sing?
Yes, but only at home.
Why only at home?
Because my cat is my only fan.
Cats are honest fans.
Very honest. Sometimes my cat leaves the room.
That is a strong review.
Yes, a painful review.
Let's practice asking about hobbies.
Great. These questions are very useful.
Question 1. What do you do for fun?
Question 2. What are your hobbies?
Question 3. What do you like to do in your free time?
And a friendly follow-up. How did you start?
Or, when do you do it?
Or why do you like it?
Now, imagine you meet someone new.
You want to make small talk. So,
Here is a simple conversation.
Henry, you be the new person.
Okay, I will try.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and doing puzzles. How about you?
I'm into drawing. I draw almost every day.
That's cool. What do you like to draw?
I like to draw cute animals and faces.
Nice. Do you draw at home or outside?
Mostly at home, but sometimes in a cafe.
Great. I want to try drawing, but I'm a beginner.
That's okay. Everyone is a beginner first.
That was a great example.
Yes, short and friendly.
Now, let's talk about joining a group.
Because hobbies can help you make friends.
You can join a club
Or a class.
or an online group.
Here are useful lines.
Hi, I'm new here.
I'm interested in photography.
Can I join your group?
I'm a beginner. Is that okay?
Very good.
Henry, do you like group hobbies?
Sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because I am a little shy.
That is normal.
In a group, I need time.
Yes,
But a hobby group feels easier than a random party.
true. In a hobby group, you already have a topic,
Exactly. You can talk about the hobby.
so you don't feel lost.
Yes, it helps.
Now, let's move to a learning part.
Vocabulary time.
Simple, useful words from today.
We will say the word, spell it, and use it in a sentence.
Beginner friendly.
Word 1. Hobby. Hobby.
A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time.
Example. My hobby is reading.
Or, her hobby is cooking.
Word 2. Interest. Interest.
An interest is something you like and want to know more about.
Example. I have an interest in history.
Or, he's interested in music.
Word 3. Free time. Freetime.
Free time is time when you are not working or studying.
Example. In my free time, I watch movies.
Or, I call my friends in my free time.
Word 4. Relaxing. Relaxing.
Relaxing means it makes you feel calm.
Example. Reading is relaxing for me.
Or, a walk at night is relaxing.
Word 5. Social. Social.
Social means with other people.
Example. Team sports are social hobbies.
Or, cooking with friends is social.
Word 6. Solo. Solo.
Solo means alone.
Example. Drawing is a solo hobby for me.
Or, I go for solo walks.
Word 7. Collect. Collect.
Collect means to get and keep similar things as a hobby.
Example. I collect magnets.
Or she collects stamps.
Word 8. Creative. Creative.
Creative means you make something new with your imagination.
Example. Drawing is a creative hobby.
Or writing stories is creative.
Word 9. Beginner. Beginner.
A beginner is someone new to a skill.
Example. I'm a beginner at cooking.
Or this class is for beginners.
Word 10. Practice. Practice.
Practice means you do something again and again to get better.
Example. I practice English every day.
Or she practices the guitar.
Now let's do quick speaking practice.
Yes. Repeat after us with your own hobby.
Sentence 1. My hobby is.
Sentence 2. I do it in my free time.
Sentence 3. I like it because it's.
You can say relaxing, fun, exciting, or creative.
Great.
Let's do a mini role play again.
This time, you can imagine your answer.
Sophia will ask questions.
Ready?
What do you do for fun?
I like.
When do you do it?
I do it on.
Where do you do it?
I do it at.
Why do you like it?
I like it because.
Perfect. Keep it short. Keep it simple.
Now, some learners say, I don't have a hobby.
That is okay.
You can start with small things.
Watching movies can be a hobby.
Listening to music can be a hobby.
Walking can be a hobby.
Cooking simple food can be a hobby.
Taking photos can be a hobby.
Even studying English can be a hobby.
Yes, a very useful hobby.
Sophia, what advice do you have for someone without a hobby?
Try something easy for 10 minutes.
Like what?
Try drawing a simple face.
2 eyes and a smile.
Exactly. Or take 5 photos of small things in your home.
Like your cup, your shoes, your window.
Yes. Then choose your favorite photo.
Easy and fun.
Henry, what advice do you have?
Choose a hobby that fits your life.
Meaning?
If you have little time, choose a small hobby.
Like reading for 10 minutes.
Or stretching. Or learning 5 new words.
Good.
And be kind to yourself.
Yes.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to enjoy it.
Before we finish, let's share one funny truth.
Okay.
Many hobbies look cool online.
Yes.
But in real life, it can be messy.
Like knitting for me.
Like dancing for me.
Wait. Dancing is messy?
Yes. I dance and hit a chair.
The chair is the true enemy.
The chair wins every time.
So remember, mistakes are part of hobbies.
And mistakes are part of learning English.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you are trying.
And trying is success.
Now it's our favorite part.
Question of the day.
Ready?
What is one hobby you have now?
Or what is one hobby you want to try?
Write your answer in the comments.
Use a simple sentence.
For example, my hobby is cooking.
Or I want to try cycling.
Or I'm into drawing.
Any answer is good.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
You are doing great. Keep going.
Please like, subscribe, and share Confident English Cast.
And practice a little every day.
See you next time.
Bye for now.